Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this look, and I created this for New Year Eve or New Year Day. You can wear this whenever you want, and this is what I'm going to wear for New Year. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching the video. I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette in the shade French Rose. So I'm going to use only this palette to do my eye look today. First, I'm going to use this maroon brown shade, which is not really maroon, which has this brown undertones to it. I'm going to put that on my crease area, and then I'm going to use this pink shade on my eyelids. So I'm just going to use only two shades in this look. First, I'm going to take this in a brush like this. I'm going to put that on my crease. Always use a light hand when you do your crease. Don't pack so much color on your crease area. Go little by little. Pack some on your outer corner and then blend. So that's it. And on eyelids, I'm going to use this shade right here, just a pink shade. I'm going to use my fingers. This brush is not working. I'm going to pack the color using my fingers. See, you can see the pigmentation if you are using fingers. I'm just going to use this. Then I'm going to take a small blending brush like this. I'm going to use the brown shade again. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply the L'Oreal Superstar Mascara. To apply the mascara side. Now I'm done with my eye makeup, so this is what I did. Now I'm going to show you the star of this look. So the lipstick is MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Oh Lady. So I recently got this. I'm going to apply this on my lips. So this is how it looks. I don't really wear such shades. I am a person who always wear nudes and reds. I don't even wear pinks regularly. Okay, now I'm going to apply it on my lips. So this is how the lip color looks, and this is the finished look, guys. I hope you all like this. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will never miss any future updates from my channel. I wish you all a very happy new year. Have a healthy life and have fun. Enjoy your day, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye. So this is how it looks on my lips, and yeah, fibers.